Now, welcome to your beautiful home. Today we're going to be showing you an elegant brand new home in a beautiful community. I'm Jake Bautista and welcome to a MetroGuide Realty house tour. Today we're showing you a brand new modern 5-bedroom house and lot for sale located here in Paranaque City, Metro Manila. This property has a spacious floor area of 375 square meters approximately and a total lot area of 280 square meters. Now let's begin by taking a look at its impactful and gorgeous facade. It also has a beautiful mix of a cement finish with those vertical wooden slats in terms of the design. And it has a very modern but at the same time timeless look. Now let's go through the pedestrian gate. You have to your right, your carport area for 3 vehicles. You have a high ceiling space with a wooden design. I love the warm lighting, which will present your cars in a very nice light. And you have access here towards the side of the house and the service areas of the property. And on this side, you have a tiled area leading to a landscape area at the side of the house. You have these pavers giving you access all the way to the back of the house. And let's head on over towards your main entry. You have an elevated ground level for the property. And to give you an idea, this is such a peaceful and quiet community and very well planned with fast access towards Sucat and Skyway. Okay? Now welcome to your beautiful home. Welcome to your hallway space. You have a high ceiling, lighting coming from this window which gives you a view of your carport area. And you immediately have your high ceiling space for your living room. You have these windows all the way at the second level of the property. Provision already for air conditioning. And you can very comfortably have a large living room set right here with a grand feeling with that beautiful cove lighting as well as that great view of your staircase area and second floor hallway. And from here, I love the layout of this space. Because once you come in here, it's basically divided into 4 areas. You have your living area right here, you have your main kitchen, you have your dining area, and your lanai space. Let's begin by taking a look at your dining area right here after the living space. You have cove lighting right here, plenty of natural light. I also love the wood grain design for the windows, and I love how tough the screens are. And you can very comfortably have a large table right here for your dining area, and it leads out towards your covered patio space. access this area from both your living and dining areas. I love the high ceiling, wooden design once again for the ceiling area. And you can access the front of the house and the back of the house from here. And you also have an overhead water tank on this side. And let's head on in. And now, after taking a look at your covered lanai area, let's now explore your modern kitchen. Now you have an island countertop right here, which is excellent for having some stools here and making this a nice central hub for the main amenity space. Imagine just having a meal prepped here while you're entertaining guests. This is also an excellent informal breakfast area. And you have a lot of room to work with for your kitchen space. You already have a built-in Elba branded microwave, oven, induction cooktop, and range hood. And then ventilation over your sink space. And this is of course where you can have your refrigerator. And you even have a pantry room right here with access to your circuit breakers. I'm just gonna step in so you have an idea on the size of the space. So of course you can put additional shelving right here to maximize the area. And then right here you have access towards the service areas of the property. You have a stainless steel sink here at the side. This can be where you have your laundry area. And you have an additional sink here, and you have an overhead water tank. And you have 2 staff rooms. So this is the first one right here. Its own bathroom. And the second staff room is near the parking area. Let's take a quick look. So this is the second staff room right beside the parking area. And it also has its own bathroom. Living space, let's explore the first bedroom in the house, which you can access immediately from the main door. So this is a corner room and also excellent as a home office, playroom, or even a study room. This is also excellent if you have a family member or you yourself would prefer to have a room at the ground level. And right here you have an ensuite bathroom. I like the cohesive look of the entire space and very modern in terms of the feel. And this has 2 doors, one from the bedroom and one directly towards the hallway space. So this bathroom doubles as a powder room. And now let's head on up towards the second level where you have your 4 bedrooms. Let's go. Now welcome to the second level. And this is one of the most pleasant areas of the house because for all the occupants of the 4 rooms, you have such an open feel as you go through the hallway. Check out how wide your hallway space is. And I love the flooring used. That gray wooden design feels so elegant and understated. And you can have a great view of your living space from here. And now let's explore your primary bedroom or master bedroom. Wow, I love how spacious this room is. It's a corner room. So you have natural light coming in from here. And in terms of the size, you can easily have a king-size bed with plenty of space left over for additional storage or even a study table. It's up to you. You have your provision here for a split type air conditioning unit. And you can have your entertainment console on this side. You also have a balcony space just for your primary bedroom. From this perspective, you can appreciate the size of your balcony. You can have a couple of chairs and a small table right here to make this a nice additional amenity to your primary bedroom. You can also appreciate the cement finish, which adds to the impact of the facade as well. Another thing I'd like to point out once again is the screen for the sliding door. This is excellent, especially if you have pets, so this is quite durable. Let's head on in. And here you have your primary bedroom's bathroom and walk-in closet space. You have such a spacious area. This is already a room in itself, but that gives you so much space to navigate around your bathroom and closet area. You have so much space here, as well as a tempered glass shower enclosure. And check this out, you have 3 separate windows, giving you natural light, but still providing you plenty of privacy and ventilation as well. In addition, you have a freestanding bathtub on this side so that you can further enjoy your primary bathroom, and a spacious dual vanity sink space. This is very important in terms of having lots of space for your toiletries around the sink areas, and even additional storage right beside here. And you can even open this up. Now let's head on over towards the hallway. From the baseboards to the color of the flooring to the color of the doors, everything matches so well for this property. And now let's explore your 3rd, 4th, and 5th bedrooms. Let's take a look here at the 3rd room. So you have space enough here even for a queen-sized bed. And you have built-in cabinets here on the other side, and even a study desk space. You even have convenience switches if you'd like to not get out of bed anymore as you turn on and off the lights. And then you even have LAN provision and cable provision on this side. And of course, an ensuite bathroom. So you have an elegant bathroom right here with indirect lighting for the sink space. I like the designs of the bedrooms in terms of the size, because even if you have growing children, teenage children, or even university level children, or even adult family members who are already with you, the space is ample enough to have even additional storage and appliances. And right here, you have your 4th bedroom. And once again, ample space to have a large bed and built-in cabinetry as well. And check these out. You have these screens built in. And then your provision again for your split type air conditioning unit. The bathroom design here is identical to the 3rd bedroom. Floor to ceiling tiling. And here's another perspective of the size of the 4th bedroom. And now let's take a look at the 5th room in the house. So this is on the other side of the property. This is the other corner. And once again, a large space in terms of where you can have your bed, and then a nice home office or study area. And then let's take a look at the cabinets as well. I like the depth of the cabinet, so you know that this can fit even suits or dresses. and your fifth ensuite bathroom. So this has a different layout from the two last bathrooms, but once again, still modern and cohesive in terms of the aesthetic. Let's head on over here. Back to your spacious hallway area. And that caps off our house tour of this beautiful brand new home here in Paranaque City, Metro Manila. Thank you for joining us in this tour. And as you can see, in the late afternoon, early evening, the lighting just looks beautiful. If you want to know more about this property or visit it in person, just click the description below where you can get in touch with us through our email and number shown there. You can also send us a message and follow us through Instagram, Facebook, and now also on TikTok. And if you have a property you'd like to feature through our channel, you can send us an email at metroguiderealty@gmail.com. Once again, my name is Jake Bautista. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bring you clarity, quality, and convenience in finding a great Metro Manila home for you and your family.